Today I wanted to do my first impressions on my Dream with a Vision palette. So here is my Dream with a Vision palette, and as you see I haven't even swatched it because it's still got plastic on it, so it's time to take the plastic off. I need my little knife so I can break it open. Take the plastic off, and here it is. And I got this in my Revolution haul, and when I pulled this out of the box, I had Nikki Raven on, and I'll link her channel down below, say, oh, I've got that palette. And she just has done a first impressions on this palette and she absolutely loves it, so I'll link that down below so you can have a look and see. And so that made me feel like, oh, I really want to break into this and have a go. So I'm going to do some swatches. So I'll swatch along the top here first. So I'll do that and then show you. So there's the first row. So starting here, this is Daydream, Cloud, Mystical, and Ambition. And I'm going to need a cloth. I'm not wearing it on my eyes at the moment because I'm going to do a look with it, and I wanted to swatch it before I did a look, so that's why I'm not wearing it on my eyes yet. And now I'll go across and do the next row. So there's the next row. So we've got Silver Lining, Fantasy, Skylight, that blue one, bluey green one, and Bubble. And I'll do the next row. So we've got the white one, Imagine, Sunshine, Dreamy, and Aspiration. Those are all mattes. And the last row, hopefully you can see that, we've got Stargaze, Visualize, which is the blue one, that's pretty, Clarity, which is a light blue, and Wishes. So those are the colours. So there's that with the light shining on it, and that's in just natural light with just the window. So some of these are pigments. So we've got Daydream, which is a pigment. They've got on the back, the ones with the little asterisks on them are the pigments. Number 3 is a pigment. So Mystical is a pigment. There's 6. Fantasy is a pigment. 8. Bubble is a pigment. Dreamy is a pigment. And Clarity is a pigment. So this palette is cruelty-free and vegan. And once you open it, it's good for 12 months. I keep forgetting to hit record. So what I've done is I've gone in with this teal blue called Ambition. It's kind of a slightly dull teal blue, and I've just packed that on to the crease. I'm going to get a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go into Clarity down here, which is a lighter blue, and just blend out the edge there. So I'm going to get a little bit of my concealer and I'm going to half cut the crease there. That's what it's looking like. I'm going to go in with pink, which is called Fantasy. I want a flat brush, so I'm going to use my flat brush. I'm going to put that on. Oh, so pretty. That pretty pink colour. And I'm going back to my blue, and I'm going to do the outer corner with the blue. Pack that in there. I'm going to get a small brush and I'm going to go into the yellow, which is called Sunshine. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner. You can see how well all those colours go together. I'm going to go back into the blue. I'm going to work it into this corner. Really nice pigmentation. Just a tiny bit of fallout, but nothing much, and it's brushed away nice and easily. So I'm just going to put some blue eyeliner on my bottom lash. I'm going to get my smudgy brush. It's just an e.l.f. smudge brush. And I'm going to go back into that blue and just put it over the blue eyeliner. And I'm going to go into, clean off my brush a bit, get all the blue off, and I'm going to go back into Sunshine, which is the yellow. Now I don't want it, I'm doing it underneath the blue because I don't want it to mix with that blue because I don't want green. I want to keep it yellow. I'm going to go into the white and just highlight the brow bone. This is the matte white called Imagine. I'll show you this one here. And I'm just going back into that Sunshine yellow, which I really like. But then I like yellow, so, and I like sunshine. So it's not surprising that I like that one. The yellow does have a bit of fallout, but as I said, it brushes away really easily. And then I'm going to go into Cloud, which is the satin white. And I'm just going to take a little wee bit of that for the very inner corner, just to give it a little pop of light. And I'm not going to put any eyeliner on for this look, I don't think. Just tight line and a black. So there's the eye look that I have come up with, using blue and pink and yellow, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things in here. So all the ones that I used worked really well. I know Nikki said the white matte didn't show up on her, but it's not hugely pigmented, but it's there, you can see it. I think it will depend on your skin tone on what you see, but it is a fairly sheer colour, it's not going to come out bright white. And yep, pink is stunning, love the pink. So I'm going to play with this some more, and I want to do a few more looks out of it, because I think there are so many different combinations you could do with this, and I think it will mix really well with my other palettes. So first impressions, I'm really happy with what's going on here, and can't wait to carry on playing. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.